Okay, the amazing Evie, 10.5 weeks old.
Okay, you ready? Evie, no, don't eat that. Here. Hey, sit.
Goofy puppy.
Good girl. Give me 10. Good girl. Okay, come over here. You sit again. Go down.
Well,
Good girl.
it's called lap.
Come here. There's an around. Okay, go down again over here.
There you go.
Ready? Okay. Ready? Ready? We're gonna roll over. Roll over.
We're wicked on that one.
And back down. Try roll over this way.
Good
Much
girl.
better. Good girl. There you go. There's the treat. Okay, you ready?
She spins.
Come back up. Can you get up? You want this? Get back up. Gotta get back up. Say no. Come here.
Jake.
Okay, you ready? Hey, go around. Hey, spin. Hey, ready? No, not down. What are you doing? Okay, ready?
We're trying to mix it up because she gets
Roll over.
it
Good girl.
down and she knows the
Okay.
routine.
Ready? Hey, spin. Come here. Spin.
There
Good
we
girl. Spin again. Good girl. And sit. Good girl.
He's like, got itch. Do her mark.
Ready?
She,
You ready? See? Mark. Good girl. Now, mark. Over here. A good girl. Hey, mark. A good girl. Come, mark. Check.
okay.
What are you doing? Step on my foot. No. Okay.
Oh,
Good
goof.
girl.
Any more?
I don't know.
Do attack.
I don't want to do that though. Touch. Good girl.
Oh yeah, she's smart.
You can. You by touch. Out. Look. Watch. Go put it on your nose. See if you do that. Go put it on your nose. She's like, no, that's not gonna work.
Not for a puppy. She's
Let's
a
do
good
rapid
girl.
fire spin. Ready? Ready? Spin and spin. It's like,
Like, uh-oh.
There's noises going on. Ready? Spin and then spin. You go around again. Spin. Come on.
He's making noises. She's like, I gotta go check it out.